In this video, we're going to learn the building blocks to how a program can make decisions. Hey, Code Operative here, helping you reach further faster in the programming world. If this is our first time meeting, welcome to the channel. The Code Operative channel is for developers of any level. This is a resource that will help you be confident in your skills and solutions. If that sounds appealing to you, hit the subscribe button, the bell, and keep watching to build those programming muscles every day. Alright, let's go over some control structures in Java. So the first one we're going to deal with is the if statement. That is a statement that says, if this thing is true, execute this code. So let's give an example of this. We have a Boolean, door is open. Okay, we're going to set that equal to true. And now we're going to use the control statement. If door is open, then print the door is open for you. So door is open is true. When we run this, the door is open for you. So it executed that code. Now if we set the door is open to false and run the code again, you can see that it didn't print out anything. So that's an example of a if statement. To add on to this is the else statement. So for there to be an else, there needs to be an if. Since there is an if right here, I'm just going to erase this comment to make it clear. So else the door is closed, you must escape. So now, when I run this, instead of doing nothing, it's going to say the door is closed, you must escape. And if I set this back to true, the door is open for you. Say we have a wait time of 5, right? So we're going to add in this else if. So what is an else if? An else if is basically a secondary if statement. So if I say else if wait time equals 5, so this double equals is an equivalence operator. So single equals is a assignment operator. It's an assignment operator. And the double equals is an equivalence operator. So it's saying this is, on the left is equal to the right. With a single equal sign, it's saying set the thing on the left to the thing on the right. Okay, so here I've set the wait time equal to 5, and here I'll say you must wait. Right? So wait time equals 5, but the door is open. So what's going to happen? It's going to print out the door is open for you. But if I set this equal to false and I run it again, it's going to say you must wait, because it goes in order. It's saying, is this true? No. Is this true? No. Okay, for everything else, do this. So if I change the wait time equal to 6, it's going to say the door is closed, you must escape. Right? So that's the if statements. Now we'll go with the switch statement. So a switch statement is kind of like a condensed version of if else. So you have the keyword switch and then parentheses. And inside of this parentheses is the variable that you're looking at. So in this case, we want it to be wait time. Okay? So in the case that the wait time is 1, we're going to say print out it's almost open. And then we have to break. In the case that it's 5, we're going to say you must wait. And then we're going to also break. And then for the default, we're going to say the door is closed. You must escape. And then I guess just put a break here for consistency. So what this is doing is saying, is this variable equal to 1? Yes, do this thing. Is this variable equal to 5? Yes, do this thing. So sometimes you can want to do both case 1 and 5 when wait time is 1. In that case, you would remove this break operator here, because Java operates on a fall-through principle with switch statements. So we'll say, hey, this is true. All right, I'm going to keep going until I hit this break operator, this break keyword. So once you hit this break keyword, it's going to say exit the current control structure. So the current control structure at this point would be the switch statement. So let me give you a demonstration. Right now the wait time is 6, so it should go for the default, which it does. Now, if I change this wait time to 1 and run it again, we'll say it's almost open. If I get rid of this break statement here, it should say both it's almost open and you must wait. Right? But if I just set it to 5, it will only say you must wait. So those are the basics of the switch statement. After the switch statement, we have a while loop. So while loop's interesting. Saying while something is true, keep doing what you're doing. So what I'm going to say is while wait time is greater than 0, do this thing. Or we're going to say keep waiting. And we'll just put the wait time here. Now, if we just left it like this, this loop would continue forever because wait time would never change. So what we're going to do is we're going to say wait time, and then I didn't show you this before, but if you're just going to decrement or increment by 1, you can just do minus minus to say wait time equals wait time minus 1. Or you could do plus 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 to do wait time equals wait time plus 1. In this case, we're going to decrement. So now, what's going to happen is wait time is currently 5. It's going to go down to the while loop and it's going to say, is wait time greater than 0? Yes. Print lower wait time. and then it's just going to keep doing it. So let's see what that looks like. Wait time 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's how the while loop works. It's pretty cool. So the while loop will check to see if something is true, and then if it's true, it will do the thing. And then you have the do while loop, which is similar. So we're going to say do this while wait time greater than 0. So this is going to always execute at least once. So if I say keep waiting, minus wait time minus. Okay. So the difference here is this is going to do the thing and then do the check. So in that case, it happens the same way, but if I set wait time equal to 0, it's still going to execute one time. Whereas, and what I'm doing to comment these lines out is when I select them, I'm going to select the lines and then press the Control / hotkey. So what's going to happen now is it's not going to execute one time because wait time is already 0, right? So I'm going to run it, and nothing happened. So that's the difference between a while and a do while. A while will check and then do the thing, and then do while will do the thing one time and then check, and then it's basically the same. So now a for loop. So a for loop is interesting. So it's a condensed while loop for iteration. So what I will say is for I int I equals 0, right? So this is the first statement. I'm creating a variable I, and I'm assigning it to 0. And then I'm going to say, do this while I is less than 10. So I less than 10. That's the check. So if you look in the while statement up here, it says while wait time greater than 0, right? So this is the comparison operator right here. And then you have the change operator. So here we're going to put I++, meaning after every loop, increase I. So if we print out I, so we say the number is, then stick I on there, and then just run this. Number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it runs this, it increments it, it checks it. Runs it, increments it, checks it. Runs it, increments it, checks it. So the for loop is pretty common for iterating through different things like arrays and whatnot. And those are the basic control structures of Java. All right, you just learned about control structures in Java. Question of the day: what's your favorite loop? Let me know in the comments below.